Okay, so today we're going to be going over how to prepare herring eggs that come from the southeast area here in Alaska. So before we get started, I would like to do a land acknowledgement. We are on Tlingit Ani, and my clan is the Dukdane Tan. We would like to acknowledge and give honor and respect to the traditional landowners, the Tanta Kwan, the Ganahari elders, past, present, and future generations. Thank you. Just to help with the saltiness. My name is Danielson. I'm working with KIC Wellness in Ketchikan Indian community, and I'd like to show you guys how to make herring eggs, how to cook herring eggs. The fish do all the making. Today we're going to be actually blanching them, which is pouring the hot water over them rather than boiling them. And this will make it to where we can actually control how fast we cook it. So, pouring the hot water right over. And you'll see it starting to change color. A little cramped here, but it's okay. We were hoping to hear back from other people and see how they make their herring eggs as well. So that way, we've got a few solutions on our page. Oh yeah, easy. Dun 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 dun. And you can kind of tell because they kind of separate a little bit. So like this one looks pretty done. And then these ones that kind of look mushed together, so not quite. But you can eat these raw, but I've had these for a while now, so we're actually just gonna cut them off. But a lot of people eat these raw, apparently. And from what I read, people are connoisseurs enough in it to where they could actually tell you where the eggs came from by tasting it. So I wonder if anybody tasted these, if they would know they came from the Virginia area. Not too bad. We'll just do this in a couple quick batches. And we're doing a blanching method this time. You can boil it, you can steam them even if you'd like. But basically getting hot water over them is the idea, and not too much. We don't want to overcook it because then they end up like most seafood when you overcook them, and they end up a little rubbery. And then then we want to break them up a little bit, make sure that they're about bite size for everybody. Okay. The recipe that we're getting this from is the Foods We Alaskans Enjoy. And in this recipe, we're going to be mixing the mayonnaise in first. So we already made our peas. They're ready to go. They're just warmed up so that way they're not frozen anymore. And then everything in this recipe is kind of to taste. So adding in our eggs, we're going to do a couple spoonfuls of mayonnaise. And this one you would just do to taste, so if you like a little more mayonnaise or dressing of some sort on your herring eggs, you can add more. If not, you could do less. Either way, so we're just going to kind of get that all evenly coated. And kind of get an idea of how much of that, whatever type of dressing you chose. You can choose lighter fat mayonnaises, you can do, well, obviously normal mayonnaise. If you're having this in a salad, you can use dressings, I'm sure. It should be pretty neat. I've had this in like Caesar dressing before. It's pretty good, but I'm sure traditionalists would like it with as little as possible. Let's get that mixed up. We add in our red pepper, red bell pepper, and some green onion. Okay, mixing that up. And then we save the peas for last, so that way we don't crush them up too much. You can go more or less on the bell peppers and green onions. Everything here is to taste. So however you like to eat your salads. Like we were saying before too, you can also add this on top of just a normal salad. And kind of add to it, or you can just have it as is, kind of like a macaroni salad, but with herring eggs. So that way we get a little coating on everything. Okay, to wrap it up, we will do some pepper. Again, to however you like it. If you like yours peppery, you can make it more peppery. There we go.